So actually, first of all, I told you earlier, because he wanted to get education from Dronachar, and because his father was the charioteer of Hastinapur, so he also used to go in Hastinapur. So when the Pandav and Kauravs used to learn archer from Dronacharya, so one day he went to them. He went to near them, and he wanted to show his talent to them, but nobody was interested to see his talent. And when he started to show see his talent, so everybody started mocking him, and they started calling him, you are Sudput, you are Sudput, you should not do that thing. So, and when Arjun did the same thing, so everybody appreciated him. So that's why the Karn started hating with Arjun. And there was one more incident when उसकी वाइफ का नाम पांचाली, Draupadi, when Draupadi's chamber was about to go, when his father gives a condition, when you who will hit the fish eyes, who will be able to get married with Draupadi. So actually, Karn was invited in the chamber ceremony. So he stood up to hit that fish eyes, but everybody denied him to hit that, because, and everybody said to him, you belong to a Sood family, so you can't do that. And Draupadi also denied him to marry with him. So after that, when Arjun did the same thing, when Arjun hit the fish eyes, and she is ready to marry with, was ready to marry with him. So that is the main cause when the Karn started to hating with Arjun. Now let's talk about the friend of how can Duryodhan and Karn became friend, because Duryodhan was seeing all the thing at the Swayamvar. So he knew very well about the braveness and the skills of the Karn. So he decided to make Karn as a friend, and he make Karn. He appointed Karn the king of Angdesh. So due to which Karn started praising by others people, because at that time he have become a king of Angdesh. So due to which Karn consider this thing as a favor of obligation of Duryodhan. So that is other thing. Now let's talk about Mahabharat. So before some time of Mahabharat, there was one incident happened, and that was one day when Karn was worshipping of sun, and he was offering water to sun. Indra, the god Indra, appeared in front of him in form of Brahman, and he was asking, do you give me, I have heard you are a great donor, do you give me anything? Then would you like to give me anything? Then Karn said, yeah, I will definitely give you what you want, please tell me. Then Indra said to him again, are you sure you would be able to give me what I want to get you? Then from you? Then he said, yeah, I will definitely give you what you want, please say to me. Then Indra said, I want your shield earrings to you. Then from you. Then he thought for a while, because Mahabharata is about to start, then these things will help him a lot in war. So he thought it will help me a lot, but a Brahman in front of me, so how can I deny him? So he decided to give that thing, and he mutilated all these things from his body, and he gave all these things to Indra. So after taking these things, Indra went away from there, disappeared. After some time, when Mahabharata is going on, was going on, Ma Kunti came to him, and she told the truth, and she told the truth. Then when 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 Karn came to know about this thing, I am your son, then he asked to his mother, where you were from many years, why didn't you come from for many years, why do you need to come at that time in front of me, because you want to save your son's life, because that's why you came to me. So she said, no, no, I just want, I also want to save your life, and you are also belong to you, you have also your brother, and you should save your you should save the life of your brother. So after that he promised to her mother कि I will never, his mother, I will never kill your other son apart from Arjun, because I have promised to myself I will kill Arjun. So let's talk about his dad. When Mahabharat is going on, when and the Arjun and Karn was in front of each other, then suddenly Karn forgot his learning, forgot his education at that time, because Parashuram cursed him earlier, so that's why he forgot. So after that Arjun hit a arrow in his chariot wheel, and after that Karn got out, no, got out of the chariot, and then when he tried to take out from this wheel from the mud, so the Arjun hit a arrow in his chest, due to which Karn about to die. So at that time Krishna wanted to take another test of him as a donor, and he decided to take his test, and he when Karn was about to die, and Krishna went to him, and he wanted some gold from him. Then Karn said, now I am about to die, how can I able to give you gold? So then Krishna said, I have heard you are a very great donor, so you will have to give me gold. Then after taking some while, he thought about his golden tooth, which he bought from birth. So he he put a he put a stone, and he hit that tooth, and he gave that golden tooth, that Brahman. So that is all the history. After that he died, Karn was died. So that is all the story.